Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Ivy Park is back with another drop, and you know what that means. I am back on the rodeo and I'm going to give you guys my review of Beyonce's latest collection in collaboration with Adidas. I am really excited to review this. As soon as I saw the promo, I just love the whole theme behind it. Black cowboys. It's a culture that's never really pushed prominently in the media, so I really appreciated Beyonce adding that influence into this. So first up, I might as well start with what I'm wearing. It is a corset dress, very slim fitting as you can see, and it has that bustier detail in this really bold like electric blue, and I'm loving this. I love the strong colourway, and this is a blue that I don't believe Beyonce has experimented with in the ivypark collections up until now, so I'm really excited about that. It has some adjustable shoulder straps and it has some texture details along like the perimeter of the design, and it's in a slightly multi-tone blue, so it gives that hourglass illusion with the different varying shades of colorways and textures, and I love that. I thought it really offset Beyonce's famously curvy figure perfectly, and it's definitely breathable. It just keeps you snatched in all the right places. Now, speaking of snatched, I have the second item I'm going to open for you guys and let you know my thoughts. It is a pair of high-waist leggings, and what I love about these is that it's in this really interesting contrasting like lilac purple and brown, and I believe it's called the cow print leggings. And then along the side it has Adidas 3 stripes, of course, and it has some high-rise seam detailing just to highlight your waist. I love this design. I think it's so unique. It's so unlike any kind of athleisure wear that you'll see online and in stores. Trying these on, they're just as I hope they'd be, really comfortable, form-fitting, but again I feel like I'm able to move around pretty easily. I don't feel like I'm restricted in any way. I particularly love the high-rise waist, giving that flattering effect when I move, which I really love. This would be a great workout piece, but it's so fun and unique in design. I wouldn't mind rocking this in some kind of outfit. I have to work out how exactly, but I want to try it because this print is so fun. Now, this piece is probably the #1 item I wanted from this rodeo collection. As soon as I saw the promo images for this, I saw Beyonce walking in these. I was like, I need that in my wardrobe. It is this pair of denim trousers. Now, Ivy Park before, as you can see from my previous videos, they've dabbled in denim before, experimenting with combining the fabric into athleisure wear, and I've always found it quite interesting every single time they do it, and this was no exception. This might perhaps be my favourite way that they've done it so far, just because I think it's something that's striking but simultaneously really easy to match in with casual outfits. If I zoom in, you can actually see that the waist, there are some cutouts where you have like side pockets. And so trying it on, it actually gives like a chap effect, which I love. It's done up with a button and zip fly fastening, which also wraps around at the waist, as you can see. Perhaps my favourite part of this design is Adidas's 3 stripes all along the front of each leg, and also there are buttons along the front, and that allows for a front slit effect, and that can go as high as the hip if you like. Wide leg denim has been the jean cut of 2021, and I'll be going into more detail about that trend in a later video, but I think this style is perfect for that. You can't get more wide leg than these jeans. Having a curvy bottom half, I really appreciate how these jeans fit on me. I think they're really flattering. I feel comfortable in them, which is the most important point for me when it comes to wearing jeans. I have in the past found it difficult, and I'm always searching for that right pair. It was really easy with this design, which I love. Next up is another denim piece. It is this corset. Beyonce looked absolutely stunning wearing this, and what I loved about seeing it first was the ultra high leg. You can see that there. I love the way this looks, but unfortunately trying this on, it was riding so high, like when I tell you guys I was chafing, really uncomfortable. I don't understand why there isn't a snap button at the bottom. That would maybe allow for more flexibility. Once I did the zip fully up, I felt very restricted at the back. I don't know if that's because of me personally and my figure. Like I said before, I have a curvy bottom half. But then I saw Beyonce wearing the corset, so it confused me because she was moving around seemingly really, really comfortable in it, and she's obviously very, you know, hourglass figure, very, very curvy. She was looking happy, so I don't know what has happened here that for me, I'm not feeling the same way. Yeah, it's that the fit is not right at all for me, and this is a size small like everything else I bought. Perhaps I just have to give up the corset buying within Ivy Park collections. It's a shame, I really like the designs. Last but not least is a skirt. This is, I believe it's a denim skirt. Obviously I'll check and make sure to leave a link below. And it is an A-line silhouette. And it displays that same purple and brown cow print, which I love. In the leggings I showed you guys earlier. I believe there's also this print in a jacket. I think it's a denim jacket, as well as the leggings and the skirt. I appreciate having the buttons all the way through so that the skirt can literally open up and wrap around me as I put it on. I find it much more easier to put on that way. I love this. This is really, really fun. That is all the pieces I have ordered from Beyonce's Ivy Park Rodeo collection with Adidas. I really, really enjoyed this collection. I think it was so fun and just really distinctive. Definitely one to remember. I'd love to know your thoughts on all the pieces. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please subscribe and don't forget to click that notifications button so you can see a new video from me very, very soon.